kids' world. Like, share, and subscribe.
I met this girl in Dallas, a little late for marriage, but I never had a lover like this before. We'd run away in Paris, we'd never be embarrassed. I would never put her down and leave her in the door. My God, my baby loves it when I leave her, and my baby loves it when I stay. She doesn't need another keeper, and my baby loves it anyway. She told me she don't like long flights, that's okay, I don't